We're going to do a quick 2019 server install as well as set some group policies in it. Okay, we're starting our setup. I think we'll grab desktop data center. Accept. Custom. And I have an audience of my cat watching me. Probably smells my coffee with vanilla in it. No, you can't have. Might be poisonous to your monkey toes. Okay, when this is all fully installed, I will resume the recording. Alright, our server has been installed, in we go. Minimize that. No. I want to turn on the private network function. Horrible name. Later. Okay, with server, you always want to have a static IP of some sort in here. Okay, 10. Actually, I need to run updates. We'll worry about that later. First, let's fix the time setting as well as slap some updates in here. Why did you not change? Probably will when I reboot it. Okay. You always want to run updates too in a new install. Because that usually has security fixes as well as other enhancements. Because let's face it, Microsoft products are always riddled with holes, especially on security. Alright, we got our updates installed. We're now going to put in a static IP address. 10.0.2.2 8.8.8.8. There, that's done. Okay, we're going to go into the control panel. There it is. Okay, we're going to go into System and Security, Windows Defender Firewall, and we're going to verify that it is on. Yes, it is on. Okay, now we're going to let some apps through our firewall and create some new rules. Okay. Go to allow and we clicked on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. And now we're going to enable file and printer sharing by checking it. Okay, that should be unchecked. The private, where this is going to be publicly shared. And we're going to hit OK to apply the setting. Okay, we're going to put this into its own little domain. We want this. Add features. So want that. Next. Yeah, it looks fine. Next. Next. And away we go. Okay, once this is installed, I will show you the next steps on configuring our Active Directory. Alright, let's configure some Active Directory by promoting this to a domain controller. We want to add a new forest, and let's call this maple.org. Yeah, that's fine. Knock in a secret password if we ever need to restore anything or do any maintenance. DNS. Oh, that's grayed out. It's fine. Okay, it's gonna verify our net BIOS name assigned to the directory, and that's fine. Maple 0. I can live with that. Okay, next. Yep, that looks fine. Most cases it is fine, and you can just hit next. Okay, it's going to take a look at our prerequisites. Ignore those little warnings. Those usually disappear after a reboot. After you get done doing the promotion here. Okay, here we go. And it's time to reboot the computer. Let's give it a little reboot. And we have now successfully set up our domain controller. Okay, we're going to do some editing of the group policies here. I'm going to expand our folder here, which corresponds with our domain. Okay. Group policies objects folder. Right here. Let's set a new password policy for our fabulous domain. We're going to edit this puppy. Okay, we're going to go to computer configuration, our policies folder. We're going to go to Windows settings. go to account policies. And we're going to go to our password policy, and we're going to set a maximum age. We're going to define it of 90 days. Oh heck, why don't I just type that in? Apply. Okay. Now we're going to go set our minimum password length and define that. And we're going to set it to 12 characters, which I think will be fairly secure. Okay. Now we're going to set the complexity requirements by enabling that. And we have now successfully created a password policy on our domain that we can apply to users and or groups as required.